Hey YouTube family and friends, you see what time it is. If you're new to my channel, these are my potato plants and it's time to harvest them, and this is so much fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. What I like to do when they're dying out, that lets me know that it's time to go ahead and harvest. So I like to cut the tops. You can pull it out like this, but I like to turn them over like that. And so all I can do, see, they already trying to come out now on their own. So I like to bust right into them just like this and then pull out the potatoes. And I had a harvest already. I harvested 4 buckets in my short, and I got some nice potatoes. I got a nice harvest. And so I'm gonna have to try to cure these because I'm still eating off those fresh potatoes. And I don't know if you ever had fresh potatoes out the ground. Oh my goodness, they are so delicious. All right, so I want to make sure I don't leave not one potato. If I get too many of these potatoes, I might ask some neighbors if they want some. All right, so, but I will be curing some and storing some. I'm gonna tell you something. I still have not gotten all my onions out yet of the barn, and I'm just getting them as I need them. But I need to go ahead and pull those out and store them away so I can make room for this, especially if I got a big harvest. But we're about to see. And the reason why I like this method is because I don't have to worry about stabbing the potatoes. When I used to grow in ground, I did that a lot. And I was like, and then when you leave the potatoes, then you got potatoes growing when you got other crops. So I just decided, I'm gonna do something different. All right, so got some nice round potatoes. This is always fun. If you have not done this, have not tried it, you got to try this. I'm telling you, loads is fun. You never know what's inside. Someone said on my shorts video, it's like Christmas in the summertime, and I agree with that 100%. Or it's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. All right, so I'm even popping the little potatoes off. I mean the little teeny ones. All right, we are rolling through. So I got 8 more buckets. Well, I got 8 buckets in total. So I'm gonna go ahead and I need to remember the varieties that I get. I know last year I had some that were a lot larger, but those are good eating size for me and my family, of course. Oh yeah, oh yeah, look at this. Man, look how pretty those look. You can't beat this. Oh, that's mushy. Yeah, we can beat that one. All right, see, that's mushy and gushy. And the other reason is, I don't know if you can see the clouds. We haven't been getting rain, but they're calling for rain. So they say it should be later on in the day. But I see those clouds, so I want to try to hurry up and get this done so they don't get all soggy, because I like to have dry soil when I go in here. All right, so we are still looking, because I always lose some potatoes because I don't comb through it. But I'm trying to make sure I get all this. And some people someone asked me yesterday what I do with the soil. So after I get finished with this, then probably won't be today. I'm going to put it in my wheelbarrow. Probably do that today, because I want my dog messing in my soil when I let him out. Then I'm going to remineralize, and you already know, I'm gonna put something in these buckets and we're gonna go ahead and plant. All right, let's go to the next bucket. All right, let me see how many we gonna have out of here. Turn it over and let's repeat the process. Oh man, this is some fun stuff. All right, come on now. All right, look at that, look at that. Let me see. Now, I think that's kind of mushy. I might have waited too late for some. This is not a good bucket. Let's see. All right, we got that. Because some of them were dying off. Oh, wait a minute. I might have spoke too soon now. I saw that some of the plants were dying off, like the ones back here in that short, they were dying off pretty bad. So I knew they were done. And so I was trying to time it, and they are two different varieties. I should label the buckets, and so I know which ones are which. But guess what, y'all? I start out labeling them, but then again, boom, it goes away. I don't keep up with it. So that's one thing I know I got to do as a gardener. Try to work on my labeling skills and keep them up, so I know which variety does what. Ooh, and when they rot, they can stink. And those over there is, I put my hand in it, man. Oh gosh. Ooh, that soil over there. Sorry about that. Whoo, that's bad. That's real bad. I hope I didn't do that with these. Oh man, now I'm nervous about what's in here. We shall see how this goes down. All right, this is kind of moist too. Y'all, I probably should have got them out sooner, so my harvest may not be as good. All right, I see some that are, let me show you. Some of these, see all the skin that's out of them? And that's not the seed potato either, I don't think, because it's more areas. All right, but we getting some out of here. And then the plant started to regrow. So I was thinking that more potatoes were starting to try to form. So that might be why we got some of those knobs right there. But guess what? I'm gonna eat those. Oh, for sure. For sure. We got, all right, we getting some. That was better than the last box. All right, we got 3 more buckets and we shall see. And this right here died off pretty good. So let's hope for the best. Like I said, just the excitement that you don't know what's inside. Are they all messed up, or do you have some nice potatoes? All right, we got some decent potatoes. They kind of small, but they good enough to put in the pot. And I still saw that I got a couple of these that are down, but yep, that wasn't a good one. All right, there we go. All right, we got another nice one. Please be nice. Oh yeah. All right, so I gotta probably back off and get my buckets out a little sooner. I don't know. Let me see, but it looks. I like the potatoes, y'all. They're looking good. So I don't know, but I think making sure I know the different varieties, put those buckets here, put those buckets on that side, and then I can tell which one does what, because then I'll know. For the 4 in that short, the 4 buckets in that short, I know they were another different variety. I didn't have that many potatoes that ended up looking like that. All right, so that's one thing I'm gonna work on. I'm gonna put that in my journal for me to work on. Or I can just play back this video and say, hey, you need to work on that. And I would encourage you to find out some of the things that you may need to brushing up on, and that's gonna make you a better gardener. And so that's how I learn all the things that I know, as well as learn from other people. All right, let's see what's in here. I think this is gonna be some more. Well, that was soggy. All right, we got some potatoes coming out. Whoa, yeah, look at that. All right, we back on the roll now. All right, we're throwing all the potatoes up front. All right, look at that. Just popping them off the stem. All right, we got these smallies. Don't worry, we're gonna use you too. Let me double check and get over there. You can get over there. All right, I think we down to 2 more buckets. Man, I'm looking around like, wait, do we have any more potato buckets? This is the last one, and this is right here has dried out all the way. All right, so I'm gonna hope for the best. I need to put them potatoes way out the way. That's nasty. All right, so here we go. This is the last bucket. I'm looking because I see ants on the bucket. Making sure I ain't digging in no ant pile, because I did that last time. I think I might be, but I gotta find out what's in these potatoes, so here it goes. Oh yeah, oh yeah, there's a big ant bed. Oh goodness. All right, so what we gonna do is, I'm gonna slide that on over this way. I should have known, Man, guess what, y'all? I still gotta go in here and pull out my potatoes. You probably say I should get gloves, but I gotta go up in here. That's mine, you can't have it. Oh man. I think they've been eating the potatoes. I'm doing something to it. All right, that's a good one. All right, so this one right here is no good. I'm combing through. All right, so we only got a few potatoes out that last one, but we got a whole ant pile. Like I said, you never know what you're gonna get. Every year I get at least one ant bed in my potatoes, and that was the last bucket out of all 12 buckets, and that last one had to have the ant bed in it. I tell you, let me double check now, because don't leave any potatoes behind. All right, as you can see, this is another successful potato growing season for me. I'm gonna do this every year. So if you have not done this, you need to try it. And if you're new to my channel, if you wanna know some of the fertilizers that I use, I'll put a link down in the description, and I'll go over everything that I put down in these potatoes there. So if you wanna pick it up for the next season. All right, I'll see you in the next video. It should be over there.